Today I'll share with you some of the best side hustles that you can use for absolutely free and from anywhere in the world. I'll explain everything step by step so anyone can make them more properly and get the desired results, but it also depends on you on how much time and effort you'll put on them to get the most money. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, and you can get notified each time we upload brand new content. Also, if you like this type of videos, you can give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial, and also you can share it with your friends too and check out my other videos as well. Without any further ado, I'm going to start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. I'm going to give you multiple examples and ideas, so just make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video because you can get easily lost and confused. So let me begin with the first one, which is to come over to this platform called HoneyGain. This is over at honeygain.com. With this platform you can just make money and passive income and effortlessly. You can make money by just simply sharing your internet connection, and I'm going to explain to you how. So first of all, let's check out the reviews from Trustpilot. They got like more than 9,000 of reviews and 4.5 stars, which is pretty awesome actually, and it shows that this platform is legit. It is an easy way to earn passive income, and you're going to earn without compromising your security because they ensure that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partner and the app will never gain access to the storage of your device. You're going to know exactly what your internet is going to be used for, so you can even learn more by clicking on this button and check out their privacy policy as well. You can also estimate your earnings. It also depends on the daily traffic shared and also the daily content delivery, and you can make up to $184 per month. You can also check out the other factors that influence how much you can earn, just like your location, the number of IP addresses your devices are connected to, and of course the network speed. Let's see the 5 steps to HoneyGain. First of all, you're going to set it up, and it can be installed on any Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS or Android device that has stable internet connection. Then you're going to run HoneyGain and let it gather. So they are going to gather some bits of information that's publicly available online, and then these businesses and companies are going to use this data for web statistics, price comparison and other verified business processes, and you're going to get paid for that. So you can get paid in PayPal money or in cryptocurrency as well. Just go over to the download button up here. They are going to explain to you everything, how you're going to download them on each device. So the second platform that I want to share with you is this one here called Userfeel. This is over at Userfield.com, and this is a platform where you can come over to just getting paid to test. You're going to see that it's being trusted by over 500 organizations that come over here in order to find some testers that can check out their websites and apps to see if they got any bugs. So if you go over to get paid to test, you're going to notice that as a tester you can earn from $3 up to $30 per test, and you can just see that each test lasts from 5 to 60 minutes and it's completed with your computer, tablet or smartphone. And most of the tests are like 20 minutes, and you can earn $10, which is pretty awesome because for only 20 minutes of work you can earn $10. You're going to see here that your job is to imagine a given scenario. You can perform some certain tasks like finding a product in an online store and going through the checkout process. You can even see that as a tester you do not need to buy any of the services or products that the website have. Also, you're going to just put a fake name or a fake address when you are going to conduct a test, and you're going to also notice what equipments it's needed to have in order to get started. You need to have a Windows or Mac computer and also a microphone, and also the cheapest one is going to work for you, and you're going to speak in the language of the test. You're going to just get tests that are in your native languages and also in the languages that you fluently speak, so you'll never get asked to speak in other languages that you don't know. You're also going to get a qualification test so they can see if you can just speak your thoughts while completing a task, and if you have a microphone as well. So by just scrolling down, you're going to find the become a tester button. You're also going to notice that they're going to pay you in PayPal money. After that, you're going to just put your information and apply for this, and once you get accepted, you're going to get the qualification test and get started to get paid again and again for only 20 minutes of work, when you can get $10. So I'm going to proceed with the next platform called Money App. This is over at moneyapp.org. They do offer an app on App Store and Google Play Store, but I don't seem to find it on Google Play Store, only on App Store. And you're going to notice that they got awesome reviews, 4.9 stars out of 5 stars, and more than 1 142,000 of ratings. You're going to notice that this is the #1 rewards app, and you can also see what you can do in order to get paid. For example, you can complete some tasks like giving opinions, checking store displays, mystery shopper, testing services, doing free trials, and so on. And you're going to redeem your credits for cash via PayPal, and you can get paid in 2 to 3 working days. You can also check out some other information as well, and so on. And you're going to also see that they have been around since 2015, so they have been around for 7 years now, which shows that this is a legit platform, since most of the scam websites tend to disappear after a short period of time. So let me proceed to another way to get paid, which is through Google Opinion Rewards. This is available from Google itself actually, and you can go over to App Store and Google Play Store, where you're going to notice that you can get paid by just giving your opinion. Here on Google Play Store, they got more than 50 million of downloads and 4.6 stars, and you can see that you're going to answer some quick surveys, and you're going to earn Google Play credit. You're going to just answer basic questions about yourself actually, just like which logo is best, when do you plan on traveling next, and so on. And they're going to just send you some service once a week, or even less and more frequently. You're going to get a notification on your phone whenever it's time for you to complete a survey, and you can get up to $1 in play credit for completing it. So you can also check it out on App Store. You can see that they got 4.7 stars, and out of more than 150,000 of ratings. You can just read more information about it, and you can see that they pay you in your PayPal account as well, and surveys typically takes like less than 20 seconds to complete, which is pretty awesome actually, because they're not going to take you a lot of your time to complete, and you can just do this whenever you have free time. And you can see that they're not going to send you a lot of surveys, so you cannot get bored. And with that said, guys, I'm going to proceed to the last source for today, called ClipClaps. This is over at clipclaps.com. As you can see, they offer an app on App Store and Google Play Store as well, and you're going to just watch some funny videos and earn rewards. You can see that you can capitalize your time with ClipClaps, and these are some real rewards that they give you, just like cash, iPad Pro 11, AirPods, Amazon gift cards, also sneakers, and so on. And you can see that they offer you the hottest original content, and you can have fun by watching these videos and get paid in some rewards whenever you do that. So this was the last platform that I wanted to share with you today. You can use the one that you like the most, or combine all of them to make the most money. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and also share it with your friends too. Don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and me as well to support me, and with notifications on for more content like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video.